I'll be showing you step by step how to install the Shopify Dawn theme and how to make any edits and changes you'll need to be doing. So you don't want to miss anything, so make sure you stay until the end of the video here. So to get the Shopify Dawn theme installed, let's start from the Shopify dashboard. So once you're logged in here, you want to go to the left-hand side menu. And on the left-hand side menu, you should see the online store menu option. So once you click that here, it's going to open up the theme section automatically. You can see I have Dawn currently installed, but let's go reinstall this from scratch here. So if you scroll to the bottom of the page, it's going to show you popular free Shopify themes. Now, if you don't see Dawn here under this list, you can click Visit Theme Store. So if I zoom in here, we can click Visit Theme Store. You could also just Google the Shopify Theme Store, as it should have its own URL and store section. But if you were to comment from this method, you want to sort on the left-hand side by free, and then you can just search for the Dawn theme here. So for me, it's in the middle of the page. So if you click on it, you then want to go to the Try Theme button, or might say install or something like that, but it should be in around the center of the page. Clicking that will then begin the installation sequence. To note, you do need to be logged into the Shopify theme store, and if you open it up from the Shopify admin like we did here, it should log you in automatically. We can see here now it is adding the Dawn theme to my store. I currently have 20 copies here, so you probably won't have this alert, but we can see it's currently installing and this might take a few minutes. So my theme has now installed. We can see it has the just added tag because I just added it to my Shopify store. But in order to make this theme live, you want to click on the publish button. This is going to publish the current version of your theme, and it's currently the Dawn theme, and it's replacing my currently installed Dawn. But I'm just going to click publish here so we can start completely from scratch. If I now scroll up, I can see Dawn is my current theme, and it was added just 1 minute ago. Now, I did mention I will show you how to make any changes, and the way you do that is you go to the Customize button, and it should be next to your currently installed theme. So once you click that, it's going to bring you to the Shopify theme editor. If I zoom out a little bit, we can see you can make changes to your home page, your product pages, your footer, your header, your announcement bars. There are tons of different customization options. Now, I won't be going in depth here on how to customize those, but I do have another video on my YouTube channel here that covers how to customize everything in your Dawn theme. Before I go, I want to mention our sponsor, Profit Calc. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store, so you can skip those spreadsheets and get one-click calculations. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, profit metrics, and analytics. It syncs seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok. And it's going to give you a ton of different analytics and metrics so you can start making smarter business decisions with your store. You can find it in the Shopify App Store, just looking for this logo in the top left here, Profit Calc. There's also a link in the description below where you can get access to a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. So this is going to conclude the video here on how to install the Dawn theme. I hope this helped here. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. But if this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.